We now have our G87 M2 sitting and handling how we want it with our CSL handling kit. Now it's time to turn our attention to the looks. And in this video, we're going to be fitting a full carbon fiber TRE styling kit. So let's take a closer look at the kit we're going to be fitting today. We have a 3-piece front spoiler. The middle section of it smooths the middle part of the bumper here, which always looks like there's something missing. And on each side you have a slight canard to the side of the splitter. Here we have the rear spoiler. Now there's two options for the rear spoiler. More traditional style one that just fits on the boot lid, and you have a more aggressive wing with uprights. That requires drilling the boot lid, and I didn't want to do that because the end look of this is probably not going to have a wing, so we're just going to go for the traditional style one. On the side we have a side skirt, which again ends in a little flick at the end, and on each bumper corner you have another spat which will follow the same style as the side skirts. Initial impressions are carbon is good quality. We've fitted quite a few bits from Auto ID and they're always bang on. Anyway, I'm excited to see this on the car. Let's get it on and take a closer look. Now the TRE kit has been fitted, we can take a closer look. Overall, I think it suits the lines of the car. The front splitter especially is really well designed. We can take a close look at the details. You can see they've taken reference points from the bumper and the middle grille and then created lines coming into the front lip, and I really like that. It's a very clever design, and when I designed the Avero kit for the F80, I used lines from the car to do the same thing. Carbon is very good quality. The weaves all run through diagonally and match up. The side skirt is actually really cool. It flows with the line of the car and it has a little bit of a flick. So this looks like a toned down version of the F87 M2 kit that M Performance did when that car came out. So if you like that kind of kit, this is one that would suit you if you move to the G87 platform. Moving to the back of the car, we can see the spoiler is quite aggressive, so the standard one has to come off, this one goes on, and because the rear end of the M2 is so chunky, it suits the nature of the car. But again, there's so many different choices of spoilers. If you like something that's aggressive, you can have that. If you want something more subtle, you can also have that. And it's finished off with these side spats at the bottom here. Let us know in the comments, guys, what do you think of this kit? As I said, this is just look one for us. We're probably going to do one more before we end up with that final vision I have for this car, but it's great that there's so many body kit options for the G87, so there's something to suit all kinds of tastes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.